Who doesn't desire luscious, beautiful lips every day? As they wake up and look in the mirror, no need to apply a lip color to get that beautiful look. I'm sure your clients also have been asking you for the same, and you've been wondering what shades to combine to give that perfect look to your client, especially with Indian lips, which are so varied in color and with such different types of skin. So here we have brought together a set of colors which are specially designed for the Indian lips. This particular kit is a lip blush kit and it is not meant for dark lip correction. However, some of the colors can be used on dark lips after neutralizing the dark lips with our dark lip corrector kit. For the lip blush kit, we have a set of 5 colors where there are 3 liquid pigments which are darker in shade and 2 semi-cream pigments which are lighter in shade. The semi-cream pigments which are lighter in shade are meant to give an opacity to the lips so that your color looks uniform. Uniform color will give an even look to the lips and it will fade also very gradually and very uniformly. So let us see how we can mix and match these colors to give the perfect look. We have a color called Rani Pink, which is a dark, deep reddish pink color. We have a color called Bold Red. Bold Red is a bright, luscious red color. We have a peach pink color, which is a very subtle pink color meant for relatively pale lips. Then we have the natural nude, which is a semi-cream pigment, which is a nude lip color, can be used for males as well as for females. And then we have an opacifier called Pearl Mist. Pearl Mist is a pinkish white colored pigment, semi-cream in nature, can be mixed with any of the darker colors in order to give more opacity and uniformity. Let me show you each pigment in detail and also the difference between liquid pigment and cream pigment for lip blush. This here is the Rani Pink color. Always shake your pigments well before you use them. I'm going to take a drop of Rani Pink here. This is your Rani Pink. This is Bold Red. Keep in mind that even our pinks, that is Rani Pink as well as Peach Pink, are both warmed up, pre-warmed pinks. Because in Indian lips, if we use any cool base pink colors like magenta or fuchsia, it is going to end up in giving purplish look to the lips. So if we want pink lips, we will have to use a red base or orange based pink colors. So we have created those sort of shades which are very suitable for the Indian skin. So as you can see, this is Rani Pink, this is Bold Red and this is Peach Pink. And now we come to the semi-cream pigments. This is Natural Nude. And we have the Pearl Mist. This is Pearl Mist and Natural Nude. So you can mix Pearl Mist or Natural Nude to any of the darker colors in order to give a more uniform, smooth look. So these are the 3 darker shades which will provide color, whereas these are the 2 lighter shades which will provide uniformity and opacity. So once I put a drop of water on it, you will be able to see that the liquid pigments, they spread easily. And you can also see their bright undertones. All 3 of them have different undertones. This is a peach pink, this is bold red and this is Rani Pink. Whereas if I put a drop of water on Natural Nude or Pearl Mist, you will not see them spreading as much because they are semi-cream in nature and they are meant to provide a consistency. So here what I am going to do is, in order to create different kinds of lip colors, I am going to mix and match these pigments and you will be able to see the various looks that we can achieve. So I am putting a little bit of Pearl Mist here. The semi-cream pigments are in a pack of 10 ml each and the liquid pigments are in a pack of 5 ml each. And on this Pearl Mist, I am going to put a drop of Rani Pink. When you mix these 2 pigments, you will be able to see a baby pink color that is created. Without diluting the density of the Rani pink color. Now I will mix natural nude with Rani pink, and you will see that it will give a completely different result compared to pearl mist with Rani pink. This is a couple of drops of natural nude, and to that I'm going to add 1 drop of Rani pink to give a much bolder and darker look. So for one of your clients who is looking for, let's say, a very lipsticky kind of bold look, you can mix natural nude with Rani pink to give a darker shade. Now we can mix the same 2 semi-cream pigments with peach pink, and you will see that the result is once again completely different. This is once again pearl mist. This is natural nude. And this is peach pink. So if you want a more softer, lighter look, you can mix peach pink. So this will give you a much softer and lighter look. And peach pink with natural nude will give you a nude pink look. I'm sure many of you try these kind of lipstick shades on your hand, etc. when you go out to purchase lipsticks. And now you're going to put these permanent lip colors on your client's lips. Pearl mist. Natural nude. Mixed with bold red. So now we are mixing the third color. This is bold red. This will give you a coral peach look. So this is very good for people who have darker lips because we want to add a brighter color. So bold red is very suitable for that. And for men with darker lips who want a brighter lip look without adding much of color to it, because they might not want pinky looking lips, so you can mix natural nude with bold red. Now what do these colors look like if used without an opacifier? When we use these colors without an opacifier, this is a drop of peach pink. This is a drop of bold red. And here is a drop of Rani pink. They will give you a much more translucent look. So when you are looking for a sheer look, a lip gloss sort of look, not a completely opaque look, you can opt for plain shades without adding any sort of opacifiers. So although visually these might look darker, when we dilute them, so when it spreads in the skin, they are going to look much lighter. When we use lip colors without opacifiers, remember that 50 to 60% of the color is lost after the first session. So these are what the colors look like when we have not added an opacifier to them. Now when you actually have to use these colors on the lips, you can mix them and use that with a machine. So if you see these semi-cream pigments, this is the pearl mist, and I'm going to take some in a cup. As you will be able to see, it is not easily sucked up by the machine. I'm switching on the machine. And the pearl mist color is not easily sucked in by the machine. Even if you dip the tip inside the semi-cream pigment, it does not get easily sucked in. However, the moment we add a color to it, a liquid pigment to it, and we mix it well, using a pigment mixer, the consistency as well as the color of the pigment changes, and you'll be easily able to use it with a machine. So now when we dip the machine into the pigment, as you can see, the pigment has been sucked up, and we can use this on the lips. Make sure you're using a good quality cartridge so that your pigment is deposited uniformly without traumatizing the skin. So as you can see, the 5 colors in our lip blush kit can be mixed and matched to create various kinds of looks. The semi-cream pigments are meant as opacifiers to create density and uniformity and change the consistency of your pigments, whereas the liquid pigments are meant to give color and brightness to the lips. So you can mix and match these pigments to create various kinds of looks and give magnificent lips to your clients time and again. The Lip Blush Kit from Eyebrow. You can purchase this on www.eyebrow.in and start creating beautiful lips.